Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to use text in photopea. Let's begin. Create a new file, create a new layer, click text, right click, use type tool, horizontal, and type anything. See this text size, double click, then text size, and change color. Okay, again create a new layer or use same layer as you wish. I use vertical type tool. Text size, that's it. Type text, wait few seconds. Okay, then type text, double click, resize change text style. See this many style. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.